Morning everybody. This is Manish Bajaj from Bajaj Medtronics Private Limited, having an industry experience of 25 years in the healthcare industry. Today I will be presenting to you my sales data science project on car sales dataset provided to me by my institute, International School of Data Science and AI, INSEAD, Gurugram. The objective of the project is to analyze data set using the exploratory data analysis with the aim of first finding patterns in the data, second determining relationships in data, and third checking assumptions. Now the whole purpose of doing data analysis is to do slicing and dicing of data to observe clear-cut patterns in the data so that we could come to conclusions or actionable insights which we can suggest to the end user. Before doing data cleaning, before doing the data analysis, data cleaning was done to treat missing or unexpected values. Data profiling was done using Pandas profiling tool of Python. The IDE which was used was Google Colab. Now let's see the exploratory data analysis which has been done on the car sales dataset. The first graph shows us that the highest selling car in the market is Volkswagen, followed by Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Toyota and VZ. These five cars make the top 5 cars in the market as far as sales is concerned. The highest selling body type of the car is sedan, followed by crossover and then the hatch type of body type. Now when we do the trend analysis for the most productive year, we find that 2008 is the most productive year with respect to the sales of the car, with the sales touching around 1,200, followed by 2007, then 2012 and 2011. Now the pattern which is observed from this data is that the sales peaks every 4 years. That is, the sales cycle reaches its peak at once every 4 years. The most popular engine type is the petrol engine type, followed by the diesel engine type, as the bar chart clearly shows. The most popular body type, when we do a comparison between body type and the drive, we find that all body types have maximum number of front drive cars. The only exception being crossover body type with majority of full drive cars. When we do a trend analysis based on the price segments, we find that 80% of the cars fall in the price range of $20,000 US. Now when we see the brand wise sales distribution in the premium price car segment, we find that Mercedes-Benz is the market leader, closely followed by Range Rover and BMW. When we do a comparison of the price segments versus body type, we find that sedan is the market leader in the price segment up to $20,000 US, and 95% of the cars in the market are selling in the price range of up to $20,000. Average price of cars, when it is compared with respect to the body type and drive, we find that the full drive type has the highest average price amongst all the body types. Then when we do a comparison between the price group and engine type, we find that the petrol is the most popular engine type in the cars, priced up to $20,000 US. Coming to engine volume, the highest selling engine volume is 2 cc, followed by 1.5 cc. Now when we plot a hex plot between engine volume and mileage, we find that the highest selling engine volume is 1.5 cc, having a mileage of 200 miles per hour. Now when we compare price and mileage over a scatter plot, we find that the price and mileage are negatively correlated. That means higher the price of the car, lower is its mileage, and vice versa. If we see a scatter plot between price and the production year, we find that the vehicles up to the year 2008 were priced up to 50,000 USD, and vehicles which were sold after the year 2012 were priced above 50,000 USD. And when we see the most productive production years having the maximum sales, we find that 2008 was the most productive year, followed by 2001, as is shown by this line graph. Now the whole aim of our study was to come out with actionable insights for the end user so that he can implement those in his business. So the actionable insights which I will be suggesting are as follows. First, Volkswagen is the highest selling car brand in the market in the price segment up to $51,000 and should be targeted to the middle class. Second, Mercedes-Benz is the highest selling brand in the premium price segment. Hence, it should be targeted for high net worth individuals. Third, Toyota is the common man's car. Hence, it should be targeted for the middle class customers. Fourth, the sales of the cars peaks once every 4 years, with 2008 being the most productive year, as we have already seen in our graph while doing exploratory data analysis. Fifth, BMW is among the top 3 brands in the premium segment. The company should focus on its feature engineering to make it the highest selling brand in the market, as it has potential to become the highest selling brand in the market. Diesel is the second highest body type with respect to sales. Hence, it should be targeted to individuals who are always on the move on a daily basis. Seventh, the car manufacturers should focus their energies on the front drive cars, as they are the highest selling cars, to increase their revenue. Thank you.